Hi, this is Lori Jeremiah again. Okay guys, let's make Abacha Mmiri. They call it Yuco here. Akpu Mmiri. Okay, let's do it step by step.
Kedundi non America inachepigeri nioma inemisi African food ichoriri nyapora kasie onwere onye ngagwa gị choba lolo ijele nwanyị akaneshi African dishes loli ijele nwanyị na America akaneshi African dishes African dishes jekuru loli ijele nwanyị akaneshi African dishes ichoro African food jekuru loli ijele akaneshi African dishes. Do you want to know how to prepare traditional African dishes? Jekuru loli ijele nwanyị a woman with the heart of gold, Loli Jeleman. A passionate advocate for young widows, Loli Jeleman. Akane shingri oman America, Loli Jeleman. Traditional kitchen anywhere in America, Loli Jeleman. Lolo amaka ejofo ozokwelo, Loli Jeleman. Loli Jeleman yo, Loli Jeleman. Lolo nemendi madobi amuri Loli Jeleman Loli Jeleman in America Akaneshi African dishes Akaneshi African dishes Akaneshi African dishes Ichoro poroko Loli Jeleman Ichoroba Loli Jeleman Mangala kwanu Loli Jeleman Ofo bonoye Loli Jeleman Ofe gusi Loli Jeleman Ofo werani Loli Jeleman Ofo ae Loli Jeleman Ofo lugu kwanu Loli Jeleman Kwanu jollof rice Loli Jeleman Fried rice, water rice and stew. Anything you can think of, as long as it's food. Cooking is a hobby. Jekuru loli jelewan, loli jelewan in America. Akaneshi African dishes, Akaneshi African dishes. Akaneshi African dishes, loli jele in America. Akaneshi African dishes, Akaneshi African.